Come test drive this 2008 Jeep Wrangler. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, skid plates, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.